Hey everybody, how you doing? Long time no see. If you're new here, my name is Amanda Turner and I'm a real estate agent in Lake Chapala, Mexico. And today we're taking a look at 3 homes. These homes are in the price range of $315,000 US dollars to $379,000 US dollars. And I have some good news for you because I've been so absent on here because it's been absolutely slammed in this area lately. I am giving you 4 videos this week. Hopefully, I still have to post them, but hopefully they're gonna be posted kind of back to back to back. So you're gonna get 4 of them this week, okay? Before we get started, I'm gonna do my usual spiel of if you are looking to buy or sell in the Lake Chapala area, you can email me at therealamandaturner@gmail.com. And if you're looking to sell, I can come over and do an opinion of value for you and give you a little bit of market analysis so that way we can pretty much guarantee the best price for the market right now. And if you are looking to buy, you can email me and I can send over some listings for you. Just give me like your parameters, basically what your budget is, how many bedrooms, bathrooms, do you want gated, do you not, do you want a pool, do you want the gated community pool, do you want your own private pool so you can swim around naked, or you know, those types of things. I need to know those types of things. I can send you some listings over, we can go on tour, and we can find you the best property. Also, if you're coming to visit the area, we have a bed and breakfast, Estrellitas in Ajijic Centro. And we also have a cafe that's open 8 to 8 every day to the public. They're kind of joined together. They have separate entrances, but they're joined together. Both businesses actually have just won Best of Lake Chapala for Best Bed and Breakfast and Best Coffee for the 3rd year in a row. We just finished up all the voting for it and we were number 1 in both spots by a landslide. So I'm excited. They haven't announced it yet and we haven't got our certificate yet, but yeah, 3rd year in a row. Okay, on to the show. The first house that we're looking at is located in Chapala Haciendas. And this is basically, I see some of these sometimes where it's basically just the house. There isn't any furniture included with it. They kind of left it a blank slate so that whoever moved in there could do whatever they wanted to with it. There's potential for a rental and great views, excellent yard. So let's go check it out. First house we're looking at today is listed at $315,000 US dollars. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom on 1 level. Construction size is 338 square meters or 3,638 square feet. The lot size is 1,039 square meters or 11,184 square feet. The HOA is about 1,000 pesos per month. It does not come furnished and it's located in Chapala Haciendas.
All right, guys, so the first house we're looking at in Chapala Haciendas is right here. This is kind of nice because this is basically your view here, and then you've got some of the lake as well, so you're not surrounded by buildings that are kind of blocking your view. You know what I'm saying? So if we zoom out here, you'll see that this is the highway that will lead you down into Chapala or up into Guadalajara, hence Chapala, Guadalajara. So this is the gated community of Chapala Haciendas right here. And if we zoom out, we can either take this highway down into Chapala or we can take it into Ajijic, San Antonio, Riberas. This will also take you into those areas as well if you take this highway right here. So back into the area of Chapala Haciendas, you can come out onto this highway and come down. There's a gas station right here with an OXXO. OXXOs, if you're not familiar with them, are kind of like 7-Elevens, comparatively speaking, to the US. I'm not sure what Canada's equivalent to 7-Eleven is, but anywho. So if we drive on down to here, this is a Soriana right here, and this is the largest grocery store in the Chapala area. And you can continue going this way to Chapala Centro, and then the Malecón is right down here. So this is a beautiful area down here where you can do some walking, biking, rollerblading, whatever you like. The church is there. The municipality of Chapala is there. And then you can actually take a boat from the Malecón and go to Scorpion Island. There it is. Right here, a little place. There's some restaurants in here and nothing fancy, okay? But it's a great sightseeing area. And just to give you an idea of how long it would take to get to Soriana, it would be a 6-minute drive. To get from this house to Guadalajara International Airport would take you 27 minutes. That's kind of what's nice about this area. Centrally located, so you can get into these small towns here on the lake or easily go up to the airport and second largest city in Mexico, Guadalajara. And to get to the Costco would take you an hour, 13 minutes. And to drive from this house into Ajijic would take you about 21 minutes. And you'll notice there's a little bit of traffic here. Always traffic through there. So yeah, 20 minutes, not bad.
All right, guys, second home that we're looking at today is located in West Ajijic. And this house is pretty cool. It's very colorful and it kind of incorporates the indoor outdoors because it's got big sliding glass doors wherever the outdoors meets the indoors. And there's a center courtyard where you can just open all those doors. And the day we went in there, it felt so good in there. The weather was perfect. It was beautiful. So let's go see it.
All right, guys, house number 2 is listed at $335,000 US. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom on 1 level. Construction size is 250 square meters or 2,690 square feet. The lot size is 329 square meters or 3,547 square feet. The HOA is about 1,000 pesos per month. It does not come furnished, and it's located in West Ajijic. All right, second home we're checking out is right here. This is a new build. That is why you do not see it on this Google Maps location area here. And you'll see that we're in West Ajijic. So here's Ajijic Centro right here. And just a quick little drive to this home. Now, through here, you have some restaurants and whatnot. You'll see we have Pasta Trenta, which is really good. Obviously, pasta restaurant, Italian. Casa Linda is here, and you could pretty much you could walk into Ajijic Centro if you wanted to. If you're a walker and go to some of the restaurants and everything in there, Waffle House is pretty good. And then your grocery store would be right over here. This is Pancho's right here. If you were to drive over to Pancho's, it would take you 4 minutes. And just for fun, if you were to drive from this house to Gato Centro, it would take you 26 minutes to get there. Driving over to Ajijic Centro would take you 10 minutes. And if you were to bike, it's 1 minute less, 9 minutes. You could take the nice, beautiful new bike path that we have. Driving from this home to the airport is a 46-minute drive.
Third home we're checking out today is located in San Antonio, Tlayacapan, which is located right between Riberas and Ajijic. So this house, what I love about it is the layout. The layout is beautiful. It has a beautiful courtyard in the back that you could easily put a pool in, turn into a grassy area for your puppies. And it's a beautiful house, and it's centrally located. So being in San Antonio, which is a highly desired area of Lake Chapala, because you can get anywhere quickly. You can go over to Chapala real quick. You can go over to Ajijic real quick, or you can go up the Libramiento into Guadalajara and the airport. So let's go see it. Casa número 3 is listed at $379,000 US. It's a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom on 2 levels. Construction size is 285 square meters or 3,071 square feet. The lot size is 300 square meters or 3,229 square feet. The HOA is about 1,000 pesos per month. It does not come furnished, and it's located in San Antonio, Tlayacapan. All right, guys, so here's the third home that we're looking at, and this is the gated community of Mirasol right here. You'll notice that this area is excellent. You can walk to pretty much everything. You have a dental office right here. You have a 9-hole golf course right through here in Chula Vista. Let me think. Oh, San Antonio Hospital's right here. So look how close that is. If you need medical attention, right there. They have ambulances, everything. And if you go just a little bit further to the west, quite a bit of shopping and dining through here. La Paseña is the best seafood restaurant in town. It's delicious. Centro Laguna Mall is here.
And there's a movie theater in there, food court, all of that. So this is an excellent location. And I'm going to kind of zoom all the way out because I usually try to do this every video and I haven't in this one yet. But here's basically the whole of Lakeside, Lake Chapala. And you have Chapala right here, Chapala Centro. This is the municipality of this whole area until you get to right about here, I would say. And then the rest of that is municipality of Joco. So right here we have Riberas, San Antonio, Ajijic, West Ajijic, San Juan Cosola, really well known for its geothermal water spas, and all of the Rocket Club, all the homes in there have geothermal water getting pumped into them. So a lot of healing properties in that water. Lucky people in this area. And then we have Chantepec and Jocotepec. And then you can go on the other side of the lake, and there are a lot of cute little towns through here, including Mazamitla, which is my favorite, which is right here.
All right, everybody, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it brought you some insight into what properties look like here, what they're worth, etc., etc. And if you are looking to buy or sell, you can email me at therealamandaturner@gmail.com. And if you are interested in staying at our bed and breakfast, Estrellitas, or visiting the cafe, El Gato Feo, you can visit my website, therealamandaturner.com, where you can find links to both of those, or just come on in and say hi. We're open every day, 8 to 8. And I will see you guys for the next video. Bye.